Hello. If you're having trouble with your printouts on PDT labels, address labels, just plain paper, if you're printing stationery, labels, if your images look washed out, I have a cheat for you that will fix the problem. If you use photop.com, it is a free app online. Open your PDF file, and then once you have your file open, I want you to go to Image, Adjustments, and then select Levels. You want to increase the depth of the image. So what we're going to do is take this little black box right here, where you see my mouse over, and slide it. I have found that 50 is perfect for me. You can adjust it to your likes, do a test print. Print out a regular copy paper, that way you're not wasting your labels, and set the adjustment to exactly where you want it. Each image might be different. So far, I find that my images work great on 50. It makes them vibrant. I don't have to have specialty paper. I can use the cheapest labels that Amazon has and get a very good print. Okay, and so once we have this at 50, we want to come up and select OK. And I'm going to show you again. I will hit undo. You aren't going to want to do that. But I'm going to walk you through it one more time so you know where to find it. You go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. We come over, we slide the box, get it to 50, OK, and we're done. It's just that simple. File, and then you want to export as a PDF, which saves it to your device. Open, and then print. If you're using the Canon G5020, you will want to just have it on normal printing. You don't have to have it set on anything special, just normal. And then go ahead and print, do a test print. Print the regular one, and then print the one where you've changed the level, and you will see a huge difference. I hope this helped.